Gina with WTI, and if you're looking for an easy to use, powerful, and portable bidet, I've got the one for you to try. I got this for my husband to use while he's at work because he often finds himself in between bathrooms on long stretches of road. We really like this compared to other bidets because the nozzle is retractable. It's just easier to use. This comes with an expandable bottle that holds quite a lot of water, and then there's two choices for water pressure on the bidet. There's a high flow rate that is good for deep cleaning, and then there's also a soft flow rate for more sensitive skin. At first, I wasn't sure if the bidet was screwing in completely to the bottle because it seemed kind of shallow, but actually it is very secure. You don't have to force it at all. It just screws in very easily. We also like that this comes with a carrying case for not just the bidet, but also the bottle too. You can also get an accessory for it that will fit onto a water bottle. This is great for on-the-go use and will give you that really nice, fresh and invigorating feeling. You never have to fear not having toilet paper or being in a situation where you really need that clean derriere thanks to this portable bidet from Bidet Buddy. And that's our point of view.